Pocket Watch Studios. Today we're gonna be making homemade lightsabers.
So first you're gonna need some rolls of gel, the duct tape, the eliminator from Scotch, and then a flashlight. Let's do this.
So first what you need to do is you need to cut this gel into a rectangle.
Oh, okay.
Like this.
Yep. Then you're gonna need to put it in the eliminator.
So after you laminated the gel, you have to get another piece. You have to put it on here, on the flashlight, and tape it. So it would look
This tape.
blue.
That's good. Oh, is it? Okay. Okay.
So you have to tape it around like this.
I think I got a little, just small piece, I think. Now that you put the small piece of gel on the flashlight, we're gonna take this piece of gel and put it over the flashlight. Let's do this.
We have to wrap it around like this, the long way.
Long way. All right.
So to tape it to your flashlight, you're gonna need some duct tape. So now we duct tape the gel to the flashlight. Now we need to add a little bit of Scotch tape to wrap it around here.
Well, we're done, Josiah, so I think we should
Jedi
have a
fight?
Jedi battle. Do you want to have one?
Let's do it.
All right. No! Saber Cat is Darth Vader now!
2 hours later.
Thank you guys so much for watching us at Pocket Watch making these cool lightsabers.
Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!